brothers and sisters in Christ. I'm your brother, Eastern Roddy. Welcome to another edition of Word of Life. And we got another anonymous person here. They written to me. It says, if we are on the line of choice, still fresh, we can choose whither side to take. Yet once we are on Jesus' line, we can't betray Jesus. Stick on his side. Yes, brothers and sisters in Christ, once we made that commitment and choice, it doesn't give us the right to betray him and say, I don't need Jesus anymore, I got everything, I got enough, I'm going to go to the world side or the devil's side. Yet, God gave us all free will to choose. Yet, once you make a choice, a vow to someone, keep it. Don't break it. Even you make a vow to the devil, don't betray him, it's not right. But if you made a commitment to him and you did not know about Jesus Christ and then you betray him, it's a good thing because he doesn't deserve to have souls. Only Jesus does. So, same as Jesus. If you don't know Jesus and you find out and you give him a chance, you never regret it or sorry for it. You'll be blessed and very happy person the rest of your life, because that's what Jesus wants you to be happy. So once we cross that line with Jesus Christ, let's not get off it. Let's stick to it. Enjoy your day and God bless.